Hello everyone, HardClassicMan98 here, and yes, I am wearing a Texas shirt. Why? Because I'm going to show you my Texas Chainsaw Massacre chainsaws, which I made from scratch. Not by scratch, I bought automatic toy chainsaws and just bloodied them up. And I have two chainsaws here, an orange chainsaw and a gray chainsaw with a smaller saw blade. I'm going to show you the first one I made. Now, as you can see, I splattered some red paint on the side of the chainsaw. There was some on the other side, but it got washed off, so yeah. Boo to that. But this side's all bloodied up. Even got this area with some blood. Not as scary, I know. But it's still kind of effective. I bought this at a Walmart. It's the Black & Decker toy chainsaw. Little logo on it. Might damage the impact. But now to show you my gray chainsaw. This one I didn't have the red paint at the time, but don't worry, I'm going to splatter some of that on there too. But here it is. I actually put like some red marker, actually some red crayon and some violet crayon, and just mixed it all together on there. Also sprayed a little spray-on deodorant for some reason, I don't know. It's just to give it like that wet feel that it's like blood. It's the Iron Man chainsaw. Not to get confused with Marvel, but you know what I mean. And we also got some on the saw blades. But now, test. Now there's actually a little button on the side here that if I push it, it'll start up. But obviously I'm gonna go like this to emulate, turning on the chainsaw. So here we go. So yeah, so I now have two chainsaws for Halloween. Well, that brings upon a bright side that I have one for my friend on Halloween, along with one for myself, so there you go. We both get a saw. So I just wanted to show you guys the chainsaws that I got and that I bloodied up, because I'm going to be Leatherface this Halloween for the Halloween Fear Fest that I'm going to host every Halloween on my channel, where we scare the crap out of innocent and sweet little trick-or-treaters. Oh yeah, that's what we do. I'm already juiced up. I mean, this is my favorite chainsaw out of the bunch. I'm going to use this one definitely. Mostly because it has proper sound. I mean, just listen. A lot better than that stupid Just so stupid. But yeah, just wanted to show you my chainsaws, get a little insight on what I'm going to do this Halloween for Halloween Scream Fest, Fear Fest, whatever I called it. Oh yeah, it was Scream Fest, that's right. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys the saws, and see you guys next time. Bye, Z's.